Hey, everybody, I want to talk to you about social media. It is now a time where if you have not made an effort to really try to cultivate a connection and a relationship with customers that already believe in you and trust you, and to make sure that you're putting out a message that's going to be able to resonate with the people that you want to attract and have more of, there's no better time than right now. If you are right now alive, you know that the coronavirus is something right now that has dramatically changed the way that every single one of us are living and conducting our lives. So I just want to, first of all, say I'm praying for you, and I am praying specifically that God would protect you and just protect our world and give us the ability to lead to Him for strength. I'm Heather Hyman. I am the founder and owner of Sweet Tea Social Marketing, author of The Golden Rules of Social Media, and podcast host of the Business Jesus and Sweet Tea podcast. And what I want you to know is that this week I'm doing an absolutely completely free training where I can come alongside and give you ideas that can help you have a sustainable business by you practicing really smart strategies using the power of kindness and strategy on social media so you can build more of the right relationships with the right customers so they can know that you are there to help them do business. If this is something that you're interested in, please make sure that you get signed up. And if you know someone else that could benefit from this, I would love it if you'd feel free to spread the word. Be blessed, take care, and I look forward to seeing you this week on my absolutely completely free workshop and training. Be blessed.